If you're a Panopto customer, you're probably familiar with the range of options for getting video into the platform. Today we'll discuss why lecture capture hardware, specifically Epiphan Pearl, makes Panopto easier for faculty to use and for administrators to manage. Pearl devices are purpose-built for capturing all the video and audio sources typically found in a classroom, whether that's cameras, microphones, document cameras, laptops, or any other video source. These sources can be streamed for webcasts and recorded simultaneously. When the session ends, recording files are automatically transferred to the correct Panopto folder. Pearls can be automated to start and stop recordings and streams using Panopto scheduling, and they can also be set up for ad hoc events. While software-based capture can be inconsistent, challenging to manage, and prone to crashes, Pearl is designed to overcome these drawbacks, with a number of key benefits including ease of use, reliability, and seamless integration. Let's break it down. First and foremost, Pearls make video capture easy. They have a broad range of input options for any type of source, and pair directly with Panopto to record and stream on a schedule. This way, educators can simply walk into any space and present their material without needing to interface with the technology at all. In scenarios where user control is preferred, an intuitive one-touch button can start and stop ad hoc recordings and streams. Users can also sign in with their Panopto credentials to capture ad hoc events that pair directly with their Panopto content folders. Behind the scenes, Pearls are easy for admin teams to manage. Epiphan gives admins a simplified dashboard experience to oversee video capture across multiple rooms or even an entire campus. Devices can be configured remotely, and it's possible for just one or two admins to manage hundreds of spaces where video is captured. Pearls are purpose-built hardware, specifically designed for Panopto integration. They offer rock-solid performance and can run continuously without the risk of crashes or interruptions. The workflow is refined and efficient, and capture supports a wide range of input types and resolutions. Pearls also integrate with a variety of in-room control systems like Crestron, Extron, and Qsys, which facilitate unified control and create a seamless in-room experience for users. But don't just take our word for it. Over 500 academic institutions trust Epiphan for capture. Feedback from both faculty and students has been entirely positive, with faculty appreciating how easy it is to share their content and students having on-demand access to their learning materials. For anyone looking to elevate their Panopto video capture capabilities, Epiphan Pearl hardware offers unmatched ease of use, administrator management, and reliable integration. For more information, you can visit our website or contact us directly. Thanks for watching.